So hey Lawn Care Nation, it's a big week for the green industry with the return of the GIE Expo in Louisville, Kentucky. And with that, you know there'll be many new product announcements. So in this video, I wanted to focus in on Exmark's new stand-on mower that they just announced there at the Expo, and they're calling it the Vertex S-Series. So let's take a quick look at a clip where Jonathan Ganeri of Exmark shows us what it's all about.
Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce the new 2022 Exmark Vertex stand-on mower. The unit I'm showing today is a prototype that we have used for multiple tests and will change slightly prior to production. Like all Exmark mowers, the Vertex delivers a superior quality of cut and features an ultra-cut Series 4 deck with anti-scalp rollers and an available micro-mulch system. We designed the exhaust to exit on the discharge side to lessen heat on flower beds and other landscaping, and soft, flexible hydro lines were added for quieter, smoother operation. All the controls on the Vertex are centrally located and within easy reach of the operator, including a single point height of cut adjustment. We've also reduced maintenance on the Vertex with no in-season grease points, a single belt drive system, and sealed caster wheels and forks. For the Vertex, every detail was considered, researched, and designed to deliver the durability, quality of cut, and simplicity that landscape professionals expect from an Exmark mower.
So I unfortunately wasn't able to be there at the GIE Expo this year, but I had my friends there at Exmark Manufacturing shoot a quick little video 360 tour of the new Vertex stand-on mower to give us a sneak peek of what it looks like there on the Expo show floor. So the Vertex S-Series will be available in a 48, 52, and 60-inch deck sizes, all featuring the Ultra Cut Series 4 full floating decks and a single point height adjustment. To start, all three units will be available with a 23.5 horsepower Kawasaki FX730 engine. So the new Vertex mowers will feature reduced maintenance and an ease of service, with no in-season grease points, flat-free semi-pneumatic front caster tires, and maintenance-free sealed bearing cutter housings. These units will also feature tool-free access to the engine and hydro drive components, along with a reliable single belt drive system that is simple and easy to maintain, and Exmark's patented spherical idler bearings require no annual lubrication. So I know you're wondering, with the new announcement of the Vertex stand-on mowers, what does this exactly mean for the previous Staris stand-on mowers that Exmark offered? Well, I had the chance to interview Lenny Magnol, a product manager there at Exmark Manufacturing, on my podcast, and we went over all of the things that Exmark was announcing this week at the GIE Expo. And I had the chance to ask him just that, what exactly is happening with the Staris models, and this is what he had to say. So what does the Vertex mean as far as the Staris line?
So what we will do with the introduction of Vertex for 22 is we will discontinue the Staris S-Series lineup, and then the Staris E-Series in our 32 and 36-inch models will continue forward with their single point height of cut machine.
So they're basically discontinuing the Staris S-Series models, and they're keeping the smaller E-Series models, the 32-inch Staris stand-on mower and the 36-inch Staris stand-on mower, as these new Vertex mowers will be in that larger range, in the 48, 52, and 60-inch sizes. So kind of a hidden little bonus announcement there if you didn't pick up on it, and that is that the 32-inch Staris stand-on mower will now be available with that single point height adjustment, as it was previously only available with that 4-pin manual height adjustment, and they're doing away with all of the 4-pin manual height adjustments. So moving forward for 2022, Exmark's stand-on mower lineup will be the 32-inch Staris Stander with a single point height adjustment, a 36-inch Staris Stander with a single point height adjustment, and then the new Vertex line in the 48, 52, and 60-inch sizes, all with the single point height adjustment. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation. Exmark's new Vertex S-Series line of stand-on mowers available in the spring of 2022. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the new Vertex stand-on mowers. Do you prefer it over the previous Staris series of stand-on mowers? And if so, do you think this is something that you'd be adding to your mowing fleet in the spring of 2022? So to get more information on the new Vertex S-Series line of stand-on mowers from Exmark, you can of course head on over to Exmark's website. They've already got it listed there, and you can get all of the detailed specs. You can also listen to episode number 327 of my Lawn Care Business Success podcast, where I had the chance to sit down with Lanny Magnol and Jamie Briggs of Exmark Manufacturing, and we go over all of Exmark's product announcements from the GIE Expo, and you can get some detailed information there about what to expect from Exmark in 2022, and also what to expect from Exmark coming down the line in the future. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Until the next one, here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.